Mwah! We use Pampers for Ben. I really want to try Coterie, but we just haven't yet. But they work really well with him. We were using Huggies, but we always had blowouts after Huggies, so we went back to Pampers. We also use triple paste, and we use it no matter what. He doesn't usually have any diaper rash, but I feel like using this kind of helps prevent diaper rash from forming. And also another tip is, and maybe everyone knows this already, but always try to make sure your baby's booty is dry, because that will also go a long way in helping prevent any diaper rash. I'm done! Yay! Good morning officially. I'm not ready for the day yet, but I have coffee now. So in my last video I said that we had some big news, and that big news is that EJ got a job, which is so exciting. So he started a few weeks ago, and today we're actually heading out to have lunch with him. His job has really good benefits, one of them being there's a nursery on site, and since he works there, he gets 50% off of the nursery, and if I work there, I get also 50%, so it's 100% off if we both work there. So knowing that, I was like, okay, you know what, I'll apply. This is the only job I'll apply to, because this is the only job like that I can think of. And so I applied, and then I got an interview, and then I got the job. So I start actually next week. So I'm also going to take a tour of the nursery so that I know what's going on, and yeah, so that's kind of the big news that I had going. I'm also going to be meeting up with my sister for lunch. I don't know if I'll eat with EJ. I'll probably just like chill. He's so cute. He's on the floor playing. Good job. Whoa. Yeah. So typically in the morning I will wake up at 7, feed him, and then I will be with him until 8:30. My mom comes out at 8:30 and will watch him, and I'll usually take a nap, honestly, but today, since I've got some stuff to do, I will probably stay up. We'll see. I need to actually go over like the timing of everything. I got some time right now, so I'm just kind of doing my nails. I cut this side already, but these ones are just getting long. I also need to buff, file, and paint them. And I might do my toenails too. We'll see. Okay, nails are all done. They are short and shiny. I'm done with my acrylics phase of life for the moment, and now I'm on my naked nails. Just finished my toes. I definitely still use my pregnancy pillow. When do we stop using them? They're so comfy, so what do we do? Because it's ugly. Look at that. Looks like one of those fossils. Anyway, now I'm going to do my skincare and makeup, get dressed, and then feed Ben and head out. All done with my makeup. I need to get dressed, but my skirt, I'm gonna wear a skirt today. It is in Ben's room and he's napping, so I'm not going to get dressed until after I feed him. So I actually have a reel that I wanted to post. See if I can schedule that. I've tried scheduling things in the past and it won't like load. Okay, well I didn't schedule it. I actually just posted it on accident. Anyway. Now that I'm starting work, I wanted a planner, but all the planners that I was looking at in stores they didn't have like the format that I like the most, or like one that would be most efficient for me. So I went on Etsy and I found one that I really liked, and I purchased it. And when it came in, it was just a box. Like my stuff had either fallen out or was stolen or something went wrong, but I didn't get the stuff, and so that was just really, it was a whole thing, and I ended up getting a refund anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But the template that I got was for an A5 binder because I wanted to make my own. So this is the one that I got. I got it from Amazon, and these covers, they're so cute. They're like embossed. I don't know if it's focusing, but they're embossed, and they've got little tabs for each month. I don't actually have anything inside it other than these because I haven't printed out the ones that I made yet. The binder comes with these pages anyway. I think I'm gonna take them out and just like insert them as I need them and not keep all of them in here because it kind of takes up a lot of space. But I wanted to show you guys the planner that I made. It's not 100% done yet. I think the daily insert parts are good for now, and we'll see as I use them what I end up liking the most and what I could change and stuff. But I'm gonna show you what I have right now. So this is what I have so far. I've got a big page for today's to-dos. I don't know about y'all, but I need to have a lot of space here. I don't like check boxes or any circles personally because I like to highlight and underline and things. That's the way that I like to check my stuff off basically. So I have a lot of room here for that. And then this, I have today's schedule over here, just so that I can kind of see the day as it's going to happen. And then I have my shopping list. I'm not sure how much I'll use it, so I guess we will see. And then I've got my gratitude box and my verse of the day. I have my Bible app widget verse of the day right there, so I like to just write that out on a paper or anywhere basically because it kind of forces me to read the verse of the day. I find that when I just have it on my phone, I don't really look at it all the time. So writing it out really makes me read it. And then this is my weekly recap I'm working on. I don't really have much here because I don't know what all I want. Still looking for different, you know, little sections to put up here that would actually make sense for me personally. But yeah, so this is for sure the top two I'm going to try out. Weekly recap is still in the works, but yeah, so this is my A5 daily planner insert setup as of right now. Okay, so it's finally 11. I'm gonna go wake Ben up from his nap and feed him and then get him dressed, and then we are going to head out for lunch with EJ. Okay, here's the fit. And I think you can hear my mom. She is finishing getting Ben dressed. He just needs his pants, and then we're gonna get him loaded up. Here's Ben's outfit. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi.
They're all 2 months apart. Well, the ones that you know, I would let them know as soon as you start.
Here with Daddy.
What are you doing?
Filming. We're here. We're eating lunch with Karina. Bless you. And a BLT. BLT. Oh, I know it. Okay, we're all done with lunch. We're heading over to the nursery to get a tour. He is insanely itchy. He's got some pretty bad eczema on the back of his head, so ooh, stinky out here. Anyway, going to the nursery. Okay guys, I am back. We're all loaded up in the car. It is way later now. It's it's 2 now. And Ben has not had a nap. He has not fallen asleep at all, really, so it's gonna be an interesting evening. We're gonna head out now, and I'll see you guys when we get home. We're home, and I don't know if you can see, Ben is asleep. I'm gonna have to wake him up though, because we need to go inside where it's nice and cool. He missed his nap time completely, so I'm not gonna put him down for a nap, but I might put him down for like a little cat nap later on, just to hold him over until bedtime so he's not an absolute mess, because when he's a mess, I'm a mess.
You want to pull back up? Oh, heater
see
up.
Grandpa.
We love Grandpa.
You see that camera? It is 2:47 and he eats at 3, so we're just chilling until he's ready to eat. Okay, I think I got him down. I rolled him around the kitchen counter for a little bit. He likes to do tummy time in the bassinet while I roll him around. And I like it too because it helps him burn off some energy and when he gets tired, but he's also enjoying himself somehow. So, and now he's hopefully asleep. We'll see how long he sleeps. Normally when like his second nap of the day is kind of messed up and he has to go down for a later sort of cat nap, he doesn't usually sleep for a long time. But either way, I'm only gonna let him sleep for an hour if he gets to that point, just because I do want him to sleep tonight a little bit more than I want him to sleep right now. So while he is napping, I can pretty much do whatever I want. I have some laundry that I should do, but I don't want to, and I feel like I won't. Or I could play Legend of Zelda, or I can nap. So many options. Let's start with Legend of Zelda. 2 seconds after I rolled over, he started crying. That didn't last long. It's okay. He at least got, I think, 40 minutes of sleep. Yes, 40 minutes. Let's go have a snack. I got some pumpkin bread from Target yesterday. It's so yummy. EJ is off now and I am stalking him to see when he will get home.
Oh, you get tired. We're doing it for 5 minutes.
Oh. You silly goose.
He will probably fall asleep on our walk.
It's 6 p.m. so we are gonna go on a walk now. Just waiting for mommy to finish up getting ready. We're gonna go see what this is. The scarecrow. Spooky.
I don't know what nights they're here.
I got a chocolate shake. It's not bad. It's I told her it's kind of generic, but it was more for the experience, so. He clearly loved it. So excited. Okay, we're back from our walk. We're gonna do our little bath time. It's not his favorite moment of the day, but well, maybe the bath part. But getting dressed and lotioned up because of all the eczema. Absolutely hates it. We're gonna do that and we're not gonna show you. Bye. Alrighty guys, Ben is officially down for the night, which means I get to wind down and relax for the rest of the evening. So this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Vlogging as a mom is definitely much different. I'm sure it's possible to get a bunch of aesthetic B shots and whatever, but for now, this is what I can do. So I hope you guys still enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and maybe comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.